got no sound. Okay, don't mind me. I got no sound. I was trying to get coffee. Okay, I'm getting coffee. So it's Mad Dog Mountain Oats. Oh, Mad Dog Mountain Oats. It's first thing in the morning. I'm just trying to. And we're just gonna do the rest, the other half of the unveiling there, right? I love that octopus. The octopus is the bomb. And this globe. I really gotta I'm terrible about tools. I'm so primal. Just give me my hands. And I'll do it with my fucking hands, right? I gotta order some toothpicks or if you guys got an idea to stop my hooks from dropping in my resin, let me know. Cause I can koi fish. And it's got some red jasper in there. Mostly red jasper in there, and I think 1 quartz. Okay, so that's been my coffee, but this thing too. Last night I was kind of mad because see how I've gotten all spazzy here and made tiny little striations, but then I looked at it from the front. It's not bad from the front, right? It was just this side piece. Side piece is pissing me off. Okay, maybe I'll pause you. I'll make coffee. I'm sorry, when you're pouring your cream and you can tell right away that you've just made your coffee way too strong. And it's my first coffee and I gotta work out this morning, so it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be perfect. Alright, so now I've chatted and I've only got a minute left here because I had to chat around, but light fixture, glow in the dark. And I do try to be careful, but like I say, I'm so klutzy. Light fixture, glow in the dark. And so you can kind of see that. And then some of the sparkles. Right. Oh, I can't do it. Light fixture, double light fixture. Save all my excess resin too, right? That's cool, alright? Right? And that's it. Well, I made some earrings, but that's it.